Do you ever feel like you are drowning in repetitive tasks? You copy data from one app to another. Wouldn't it be nice to automate all those time-consuming chores? Let's automate. The interface will be like this. You see create, or if you click on the zap, you can just click on create here. Then we have tables. Tables is a tool for managing data in a table format, similar to spreadsheets. Interface. The interface which allow you to build custom interface for interacting with your data. Then we have chatbots which allow create AI chatbots. We also have agent. This is where you can create AI teammates. Okay, so now we are going to click zap and create an example. Like if an email is sent with a specific subject line, then I want Zapier to pick that up and then message my teammates in Slack. So click on zap. Then you see copilot. You kind of tell him what you want to do. I will say send a message to Slack once an email is received with a specific subject line. So when you are done typing, don't click on next or enter. Then click trigger. Trigger here is going to be the thing that's happened. Then create the reaction in this case. Click on it. Click on Gmail. The trigger event is new email matching search. Then click on it. Then below it, we click on sign in by connecting our Gmail account. Once you connect it, then scroll down and click on continue. It will take you to the configure stage. This is where we are going to set keyword that we are going to search for. In this part, we are going to call it Zapier video. Then we type Zapier video. After typing Zapier video, then we scroll down and click on continue. Then we are going to test the trigger if it works. To do that, we are first going to build the action. Then we go back to action first to send a message to a specific user in Slack. After clicking on action, then we come here to search for our Slack app. Then after finding it, then we click on it. In the action event, we are going to say send a direct message. Then we click on it after searching it. Then we connect our Slack account. Click on sign in. When connected, then click on continue. Then you have the ability to configure what you want to do in the action. To actually do it, in username you choose anything you like. In message, I will write, hey, we are getting on Zapier action. You'll see other options too. I'm going to set here as box. Then I'm going to say no here, no links. Here too, no links. You can adjust it the way you like. When you are done, then click on continue. The message has been sent to my Slack. I will come to my Slack to see if the message is received. As you can see, here is it, the message has been received. If you wanted to do more tasks, then you click on add steps and you can choose what you want to do with different apps here. As you can see, there are multiple different apps to continue if you want to continue.